he's speeding up. Wow, feels so nice to ride. And that tire inflator was pretty good, man, pretty fast. Perfect for me. Perfect for my situation, man. That's Vedanta. I wonder where he's going. I think he's going back home. Anyways guys, welcome back to the channel. This is GTK Noob, your regular host. Oh, he's speeding up. Speeding up, Vedanta is speeding up. And I'm heading towards Tagalong to have some coffee because it was a long day today. It's kind of drizzling in the morning and right now it's not. Also I cleaned my chain and it's nice right now. By the Pati, development. त्यस्तो मजा गर्छ. So in the last vlog we were talking about my exhaust, and I would tell you what, if you're planning to buy an exhaust for your bike, don't. It's just a waste of money. Instead buy some riding gears, boots, you know, jacket, gloves, pants, all those protective gears. That will help you a lot, man. And try to improve your skill. Don't waste money on an exhaust. I did that mistake, so learn from me, man. Learn from me. It's drizzling. Was that, man? Such an there are idiots like that on the road, so you have to be very careful. You have to ride defensive. Very important thing to improve your skill, and by skill I meant counter steering, trail braking, kind of, you know, advanced type of technique that would definitely help you in the longer run if somebody else makes some mistakes. Oh, that's my friend's car. So many things to learn, man. So many things to learn. Even I don't know a lot of stuff. Still learning, man. All those body position and all the stuff. Oh, it's not drizzling out here. Seems fine. Seems pretty good. Yeah, it's drizzling a bit. Not that bad. I hope it does not rain anytime soon, because that's gonna suck if it does. Till now it was not raining, and I was actually waiting for the rain. I hope it does not. No indicator, nothing.
तरन्दा भक्कर आउनु भयो. टोपी लगाउनु हुँदैछ भित्र पसिएर. गर्दैछु भित्र पुलाउनु.
Okay, so this was a very short ride, man. Came for a very short ride. So going back home, I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. I hope I didn't forget anything. It's all fogged up, man. Foggy. Foggy ho gaya re bhai. So nice to ride my bike, man. Drizzling a bit, not so much, just a bit. And thank God I can go back right now since it's not raining, because I don't want to wash my bike again and again, and then it's a headache to clean up the chain. Don't get me wrong, I love cleaning my bike, but doing it every other day is you know, a big challenge. And irritating, of course. So nice, looks so nice, man. Look at that. I hope it's not raining this side, towards Nam Nam side. Wow, this looks nice, man. Pretty nice. Pretty well. I don't know why I feel like I'm forgetting something every time, man, every time. Such a nice weather. Finally, it didn't rain. Finally, I'm not getting wet. Finally, feels nice to cruise like this. Not in hurry or anything. Just cruising, man. Light cruise. No drizzling out here. The weather is clean, man, clean. Except the sky is cloudy a bit cloudy. But thank God it's not raining, and I'm enjoying it. Enjoying it nicely, man. Oh, someone is coming really fast from behind. Real fast. Right behind me. So bike is behind me now. A bit of water situation here, man. Oh shit. So anyway, I will end this video here. A short video for today. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you guys for supporting. To all of my subscribers and dear commenters, I will see you in the next one. Cruising, man. Today I feel like just cruising. Bye bye.